Welcome to join us for a fireside talk about the Saxdor 320 GTO. So tell me, Max, what is this boat all about?
The boat behind us is the 320 GTO, as Ludwig said. It's the first of the three different layouts of the 320 series. This one is the one with T-top. There will be the GTR, the fully open one, and then later this year GTC, the cabin boat.
So three different layouts of one hull.
Absolutely.
So as some of our viewers might already know, Saxdor Yachts is a Nordic boat builder with our roots up in Finland, and we were founded in 2019. Even though we are a fairly young company, we are already very experienced with over 40 years of boat building experience in our history through our founders.
Our relation with the founder of Saxdor Yachts, Mr. Sakari Mattila, started many years ago. He's one of the great boating legends. It's a great pleasure and honor for all of us to work with Sakari. His creativity, deep knowledge of yachts, boats and boating market, and the gut feeling he has for what decisions are right in the development process are admirable. Sakari helped in a great way to improve our understanding of outboard powerboats, especially in Scandinavian markets.
We launched our first model, the Saxdor 200 Sport, March year 20. That model already reached 3 great awards from the boating world. The Best of Boats, European Powerboat, and a high nomination in the Motorboat of the Year award.
So if the 200 was the fun boat, how fun did you have with this one out on the sea?
I think fun is not enough powerful word to describe the feeling we had out. We had minus some degrees, snow on the shorelines, some of the waters already frozen. We had the boat in the water. It was just fantastic.
So now, given that you've been driving her for a while, what are your favorite features?
I'm more like a social boater, so I like to go out with family, friends. I can fit 8-9 people sitting around the table, facing forward while driving. There is a lot of space on board. What do you prefer by boating?
Well, I mean, obviously I share your feelings. I really love the spacious front cabin because I'm much of an overnight boater. So the cabin combined with an enclosed toilet, a lavatory, and the space it gives you, and of course not to forget the heater or the air conditioner, climate control, whenever needed, is really a fantastic combination in this kind of a boat.
Yeah. Did you notice the terraces?
Oh, did I? That really gives you an extended space, does it?
And the performance, we wanted to make a boat performing both while driving and performing just by being at anchor or in the harbor. Can you guess what kind of performance we did get?
No, but please tell me.
Single engine, we reached 40 knots with a fantastic fuel consumption on less than 2 liters per nautical mile. And then with double 300s, 50 knots is just walk in the park.
That's really impressive. It really is. So we also offer the full range of the Mercury Options. So we have the joystick available with twin engines. We have the new amazing Mercury First Mate as a man overboard protection, and all the other cool Mercury features as well, right?
Yeah.
Well, to ensure, of course, the needs of every boater, Saxdor has partnered up with all the key players in the industry to select the best of breed options for every single customer and use case. So we have key partners like Simrad that are providing us with the best navigational technology available, together with their sister company Fusion, providing entertainment, and a lot of other key suppliers, not to forget, as mentioned, climate control and other good options on the boat. Is there something you come to think of which would be your favorite?
We have the options that fulfills every boater's needs.
Exactly.
You can have it as a simple one or fully loaded with the latest technologies that you can find.
Exactly.
But to conclude it into one boat, we have the design, we have the performance, we have the options, and we have the price. It's all in the same package.
Thank you all for watching. The new era of boating is here.